What if I told you most nursing students are missing out on one of the best study tools available right now, and it's completely free? Lean in. I'm Dr. Sherry, registered nurse and nurse educator, and I am helping nursing students study smarter, not harder. And today we are going to be talking about how utilizing tools such as AI can help you transform the way that you study. Let's be real, nursing school moves really fast, and you're learning complex topics like pathophysiology, pharmacology. You're learning how to put together concept maps, and all of it can seem really overwhelming. And a lot of times you're just unsure of where to start and what to do with this information. Listen, you can use AI tools to really help to simplify your learning and studying process. You can use it to create study guides from your notes or from your PowerPoints. You can use it to do active recall with you. You can ask it to create NCLEX style questions for you. You can ask it to break this down to me like I am in middle school or like I'm a fifth grader because baby, I'm not getting it. You can ask your AI tool to do these things for you. So let me tell you, one of my students last semester kind of put me on to using AI for studying and helping to make all of these processes easier. She came to me and she was like, let me show you this. And she had created a podcast using our PowerPoint. And I was like mind blown. And that tool, if you've never used it before, is called Notebook LM. Jot that down, put it in your memory. You can use it, you can upload your PowerPoint, and then it will sound like two people are having a conversation, but it's all based on your PowerPoint. I had another student show me their whole, when we got to pharmacology and we were doing like a pharmacology review, they had put everything into ChatGPT and had Chat create a pharmacology study guide for them that really broke everything down for them and made things easier to understand. That student has since gone on to pass their boards and is now working as a nurse, and I'm super excited about that. So truly, utilize these tools that are out there for you to make things easier for you while you're in this process. But here's the thing, right? AI is here to support you, okay? It doesn't replace your learning, okay? You still have to think and you still have to apply and put all of the things together. But AI can truly help you to structure everything and put it all together. This is just part one in my little mini series on AI in nursing school. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to give prompts for your AI tool to build custom study guides from your notes and your PowerPoints. So if you're ready to make nursing school just a little bit easier for you, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the next video, and make sure that you get your free study guide. The link is in the bio, and I will see you next time.